Hey beauties, it's D Beauty here, also known as Shyhaze, and I'm back with another video. I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this look. So simple and it is so easy, okay? I will be using my Juvia's Warrior 2 palette. I freaking love this. I'll be starting with that orange shade in the crease. But before I get into the video and tell you guys more details, don't forget to subscribe, click that notification bell, give this video a like, because if you like what you see, they might not like the video. It is free, you feel me? And don't forget to follow me on Instagram at DBeautyForever. That's where you guys can catch all my latest looks and information on what I does. All right, now going back into this, I am using a red shade in my crease right after that orange shade. I'm gonna blend this out. We going for like some depth, some warmth, kind of low-key fall vibes. Like, these first shades are low-key fall, and I'm actually really digging it, like for real. And while I'm doing that, I'm also going to tell you guys I already did my eyebrows off camera. What I used was some elf gel pomade type thing. It's not even for your brows, it's honestly like eyeliner, but I love it for my brows. Holy grail. And I also did do a cut crease with this look. This is something that I did on Instagram a while back, and I thought I'll just make a video on it. But on Instagram I did use my Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette, the first version. Okay, so you guys could actually see that I'm cutting my crease with this elf camo concealer. Y'all, this is their dewy version. You guys may have actually seen my previous video where I actually used it as foundation and I loved it. That was their matte version, but they did come out with a dewy formula, and you guys, my opinion on this is completely different. I am not as in love with this as before, and I'll go more into depth with that once I start doing my foundation. But again, I am doing a cut crease, and I'm using this flat round brush just to make sure that I do get the lines as sharp as I can. I'm laughing because this is a horrible cut crease, okay? And you guys are gonna see what I do in order to just camouflage that horrible line, okay? I'm going in with this white shade just to get a lighter color. Again, I don't know what I was doing with this. Like, this look was not what I had in mind. Everything was just going wrong, but I do love the way it does come out at the end. So after I actually put that white eyeshadow on, I'm going in with this deep, it's not really black, but it's like a really deep gray. So I'm going to put that in. Again, you guys know I'm trying to build up some depth in this look. Just adding more dimension, just making sure it looks complicated. It honestly comes out as a very easy look. It's just that at first I really didn't know if it was going to come out looking as good. So you guys will actually see that I tried to finesse it. I'm going to be using this glitter eyeliner from NYX. And this is so pretty. Like, it was just so pretty. So I'm going to put that on. You guys are actually going to see how crooked that line comes out. And then later on again, I'll just keep on finessing this look, okay? So definitely just watch me do this, and then I'll be back. Okay, so I'm almost done putting this glitter eyeliner on. One thing I would say is just wait for it dry before you blink or do any movements. What you see me going here with is actually some Vivid Mix Cosmetics. If you guys remember, or if you have been following me for a while, you know that I've had a cosmetic line which I sold highlighters. I'm actually thinking about redoing that again. Like, it's sold out, and then I'm thinking about actually doing it again. So I'm taking some gold haze, I'm putting that in my inner tear duct, and then I'm actually gonna go in with this Moods palette. I love this palette, and the shade I'm about to use, I love. It's like a holographic highlighter. Just gonna put that in on top of the gold haze. It makes such a huge difference in person. I'm not sure you guys could really tell on camera. I'm gonna put that in, and after I do that, I am just going to put some eyeliner on. Ooh, Girl, I ain't put no eyeliner on. Well, I guess I'm gonna moisturize my face because it's dry. And now I'm going in with this NYX liquid highlighter, and I'm gonna put that all over my face and rub that in. You're instantly gonna see like a glow, and it just tones the face really, really nice, even though I missed a couple of spots. Okay, so after this, you guys, I'm really about to go in depth about this concealer slash foundation that I'm using. So what I'm doing is going in with the look at the color, like, oh. So I normally use Deep Chestnut in the matte version of this concealer as my foundation. This is the Dewy formula that e.l.f. has now, and it's actually the same name, Deep Chestnut, but look at the color. It's totally not my color, but as the video goes on, you'll start to see that it would turn into my skin color. Like, it would definitely oxidize. I just really don't, I don't know, I don't like it. I don't like the formula. It don't feel dewy. The other one, the matte one, actually feels better on my skin, and I have dry skin, but the coverage is amazing. Like, it's amazing. So I'm just gonna put this on. I'm using a damp sponge to actually blend this out, and then for concealer, I'm gonna go in with the same shade I actually used to cut my crease and to actually use as the base for my eyeshadow, which is a tan neutral, and I love this shade. I love how it blends out. The only issue I have, again, is just with the shade that I use for my face. But as you can see, this shade that I use for my face, the Deep Chestnut, is actually blending, is actually, what's the word I'm looking for? What's the word? What is, oh, blending into my skin tone. That's what it's doing. It's actually blending in. So I'm going to put that on, blend that out with my sponge. And then after this step, you guys know what's going to be next. Oh, look how good that coverage is. This works so good as regular concealer. Like, I'm going to use that. The shade that I use for my face, I don't think I'm ever going to use that again, but I'll have it just in case. What I'm doing now is taking this big fluffy brush and then just dusting off any Airspun powder I have on my face. And I'm going to be contouring my cheekbones and my face. I'm actually using a brown eyeshadow to do so. For some reason, contour palettes just never do it for me. They're either too harsh or too red. I never find one that's really good for my skin tone. If you guys have like any options or you know any good ones, definitely comment that down below. Also, since I do have dry skin, I'm actually going to set some of my face and spray it with my mist. And here we go, y'all. Oh, look, I did have eyeliner on. Oh, I did. When did that happen? And so now I'm actually going back in with this glitter eyeliner, and I'm going to put this all over my lid where the white eyeshadow is. And this is going to look so pretty. I think this was the smartest move that I did. It just gives it like a different look. It's no longer a soft glam. It is now full glamorous. And of course, you can make a thicker eyeliner. I kind of low-key wish I did. I don't know. Or I wish I did something on my lower lash line. So while I'm doing that, I actually didn't even tell you guys about my hair. So here I actually just did a quick flat iron clearly. And I did bleach my hair. Like, I didn't want it I didn't want it to be like a light blonde or anything. I actually wanted the color to be a little bit darker. I was trying to go for this look right here, this Queen Latifah look, but clearly it didn't work out. So after I do my mascara, I'm going in with this Dior highlighter. These shades are so buttery. Like, if you don't have it, you have to get it. Like, you would definitely love it. But yeah, I wanted my hair to look like Queen Latifah, and I don't know what happened. I don't know if I fell asleep. I don't know if I was tired that day. I don't know what happened. And these lashes, all right, I know I'm going like back and forth, but these lashes are my favorite. They're in the style Nonchalant, and I'll have the person where I got them from linked down below. Like, their lashes are all bomb. Seriously, they're all bomb. They're lightweight. You don't feel anything. This video is not sponsored by anybody at all, but I just genuinely love these lashes and their style. She also has another style called China. Those are bomb. Like, if you just going for a regular face, really natural, and you just want some lashes to look extra, China is so fire. My fave. Right after this one. Alright, so I'm about to go ahead, do my hair or whatever, and then I'll probably be back right after I put on some blush. And this blush is so good, and y'all won't believe it was like literally $1. But again, after I put that on, I'll actually be back with my hair done. And the way I do my hair now is just so cute to me. Like, it's childish in a way, but it's just so freaking cute. Like, who doesn't love their hair to look like that? I think I really like it. Anyways, I'm going in with this lip combo. This lip combo I've listed in my last video, and I believe the video before then. You guys, I always get compliments on what lip combo I am wearing, and I'll tag the person down below as well. I love her stuff. Wear it all the time, and the owner is just really sweet. So definitely you guys check her out as well. So what I'm doing is just blending this in together, and it's going to give me like a really neutral look. I'm also going to put a clear gloss on top of it as well, which I love a clear gloss. And after I set my face, did my edges of course, and this is the final look. So I really hope you beauties enjoyed. Don't forget to follow me and subscribe.